how's it going? I am going on a test trip with my Tesla to see how far the battery goes. I want to see how much power does it really need. In the moment it's on autopilot, and I try to keep it on autopilot as long as possible. But the autopilot is going to try to go onto the interstate to go to the destination. Let's turn off the song, the music in the background, then you can hear me better. So I am on autopilot, but on one hand I want to try the autopilot. Can it really drive all the way to the next town? What is 1 hour drive? It's like 65 miles to get there. We have already 10 miles driven. It's 50 more miles, 60 more minutes. 60 minutes, 54 miles. So it's probably a 55 mile per hour speed limit on the road. And so the thing is, I'm going there, and then I drive back, and then we look at the battery. So yesterday I had it fully charged to 99% as I came home from the supercharger, 99%. Then I was sitting there in the cold, so it was cold all night. We have now a temperature of 39 degrees. It was a little lower. Why is this braking so hard? It doesn't know what to do. And what can I say? What I noticed today is that it loves to drive behind a truck. There's a truck in front of me, and it just follows the truck. That is odd, because usually it never does that. It always goes in the left lane and is driving around there. Maybe it knows about the police on this strip. Now, what I notice is that it brakes and accelerates and brakes. That cannot be good for the power consumption. This cannot be okay. Oh my god. It is nuts. Now even the truck in front of me is changing. I wonder if it uses the brake pedal to brake like this, yeah. Jesus Christ. What a drive. So this is not okay to drive like this, like accelerate and slow down and accelerate, and just because the car in front of me is driving like that, shitty. I wonder if I can change to the left lane, if it lets me. Now it stops in the middle of the intersection. It's waiting for a red light. Wow. I wonder why it brakes and stops. It's so odd. Is this like potholes or stuff? I'm not sure. I'm gonna turn my camera back.
Now your destination is on the right.
Yeah, okay, so this is our destination. We arrived here with a 70% battery. That is. Now, if you can see this 70% battery, and yeah, the office buildings here, the official buildings here on the left. Now, the battery of the camera I have here is also drained. Let's see how this goes. I'm not sure where I am at here. Can I take a right here? Yeah. There we go. It's like all police and stuff and court, I can guess. Yeah. I'm not sure where I'm at here. Let's take a right here, and this is like court buildings and stuff. I do have to pull over here and look at my cameras if they're all good. So this trip was 64 miles and it used 15 kilowatts of energy. It did 242 watt hours per mile. And now we are going back. And see how that is going to go.
Now turn right onto Jackson Street.
It says it has it will need the same amount of energy. I need to find a quick parking spot where I can check my camera. See where I can do that. Is that a street I can take a left? Yeah, looks like it. Public parking.
Now turn left onto North Superior Street.
Oh,
in 500 feet, turn right onto Adams Street.
Here is the spot where I can pull over for a minute to look. Here we go. And let's see if we can see something here.